Little bit of a hold up here. These are boys on the tractor. But yeah, a bit of a saggy load coming through. Oh, that's going to catch on that sharp object there. Come. This is our little bomb of a car, slightly damaged from hitting the potholes. This man's in charge. Hey, come on. There's plenty of room there. The driver's probably a 16-year-old boy. No. Yeah, going well. We've got a few repairs on this. And here they come. And we're off. Only in India. Maybe in Africa also. There we go. Wow. Big loads. Okay. We're off, I think. Bit of a hold up there. A fair bit of traffic, but I think we're good now. Righty.